What is up, guys? It's by Danny Reviews here, and today I'll be reviewing the ESR Clear Gray case today. This case is a very slim case, and it also has MagSafe enabled as well. So just to show you the box right now, it shows you the different colors that are available for the iPhone 16 Pro. You have it in clear, as well as in black and gray. And then just looking at the back, it just gives you some highlights about the case, that it's slim and lightweight, that it has the magnetic lock, and it has the raised screen protection. So just to open this up here, just to see what's inside. Give me 1 second as we unbox this here. All right, there we go. You'll see that it just comes with the case, and then I think there's just a couple, there's just one note that comes through with it as well, just to tell you that it has MagSafe as well. Pretty straightforward though, and then inside the case you can see this is basically what it looks like. So it does have a very sleek profile to it. It is very thin, and it does have a cutout for the camera control button. It is a little bit flimsy, but it's not too bad. And it is, again, very lightweight. And you can see here it does have the ring for MagSafe. And just to show you what the color is compared to my current titanium iPhone 16 Pro, it is darker in terms of the gray, but I do kind of like the color. It actually does seem to look very nice overall. And then let's just try putting it on here. So it's pretty easy to put on. Just slide it right in. There we go. And now you can see this is kind of how it looks with the iPhone attached to it. There is a lip for the camera as well as a lip for the screen itself. So it is raised. It also has these shockers on each of the sides, so it is raised. So in case you have any drops that are happening, or if there are any bumps, it will be perfectly fine. It's not probably going to be good for long or bigger drops, so you do want to be careful with that. And it also does have the inside of the camera also covered as well, so that's actually pretty good. So overall, I actually think this is a very great case. I've actually been using this one here, which is the exact same case for some time, but just to show you how the wear and tear looks. It's really just around the MagSafe is where you kind of start to see some wear and tear after a couple of months, but overall, like, the actual case itself is very sturdy. And I would say this is actually one of my top cases overall that I would recommend for anybody with an iPhone to have. So again, this is the ESR Halo Lock MagSafe case in gray. So I hope you enjoy this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.